Okay.
Hey, this is Dan from Roma Overland Vehicles. Quick video. When you get a new Sprinter, this is one of the few things that you should check for before you start doing your build. I've had this issue come up in other parts of the van, which I'll show you, but this is pretty new for us. This is a 2021 Sprinter 4x4. We got two of them, so we got another one over here, and it's doing the same thing. So there's panels in here. This one isn't as bad as that one, but where they glue the panel to these supporting ribs, the glue has failed. So what I've done on some of the ribs up along the top, I've had issues, and I'll show you on this one as well, that I've gone through and glued, but now I'm gonna have to add doors to my list of things that we check. Because this one, every single one of these has failed. None of these are working. None of these are connected. So that outer skin is just floating there. Same thing on the driver's side. One of these is glued. So like this one down here, that's what it's supposed to be like. It's supposed to be attached like that. So that one's pretty solid, but that one's not, and that one's not. And you can see how loose they are. So when we get a van, before we start insulating and sound deadening, I go through and I check. These are particularly bad in and around here. There's always a little bit of a gap, and that's where the glue is. So I always check these throughout the lower panels, and then the ribs up on the ceiling. You can see where the glue is in the gap, and that's attached there. And I check all of these as well. So now we'll be checking all of these, and repairing whatever's broken from the dealer. So look for that and then glue it. Gluing wise, I've done automotive seam sealer. You can do something like a Sikaflex elastic adhesive. 3M window weld, something like this. I'll put a link to these down below too. But something just to attach this stuff back, because you can't have that. That's going to be a giant rattle if you don't fix that. And I fear this. That's the worst I've ever seen. I fear the longevity of that. So we'll go through and fix all that and get it better than factory. Thanks for watching.